we were discussing the Module 16, the total and partial extinction of criminal liability. Total extinction of criminal liability means that the entire penalty is extinguished and there is no more criminal liability. Sinasabi dito na the penalty is extinguished. Kumbaga parang kinikilala na wala ka ng criminal liability o pananagutan sa krimen na ginawa mo.
By the death of the convict. Number 1. Death of convict extinguishes criminal liability at any stage of the criminal proceeding. Pangalawa, civil liability is likewise extinguished if death occurs before final judgment. If death occurs, there will be no body to serve the penalty of the crime. The death of the convict, whether before the final judgment, extinguishes criminal liability because one of the juridical condition of penalty is that it is personal. If death occurs before or during trial, the criminal case must be dismissed. This so because the preservation of the constitutional rights of the deceased accused who would not be any more in position to defend himself. Ang sinasabi dito sa by the death of the convict, kapag yung taong may kaso o yung taong nakakulong ay namatay, mawawala na yung kanyang criminal liability at ang isa sa condition nito dapat ay siya talaga yung makukulong at hindi ang iba. Walang pwedeng pumalit sa kanya. Automatic na madidismiss na yung kaso niya at mawawalan na siya ng criminal liability dahil nga siya ay patay na.
By service of sentence. Crime is a debt incurred by the offender because of his wrongful act and held penalties but the amount of his debt. When payment is made, the debt is extinguished. Service of sentence does not extinguish the civil liability. Ang krimen daw ay isang utang na kapag nakagawa ka ng krimen, ay kailangan mo itong mabayaran sa pamamagitan ng pag-serve ng iyong sentence sa kulungan. Pag na-serve mo na ang iyong sentence, ay mawawala na ang iyong criminal liability. Kahit na na-serve mo na ang iyong sentence mo, pero di mo pa rin nababayaran ang civil liability mo, hindi po ma-extinguish ang civil liability mo dahil separate po ang criminal liability sa civil liability.
By amnesty, which completely extinguishes the penalty and all its effects. Amnesty is an act of the sovereign power granting oblivion or a general pardon for a past offense, and is rarely, if ever, exercised in favor of a single individual, and is usually exerted in behalf of certain classes of persons who are subject to trial but have not yet been convicted. Note that civil liability is not extinguished by amnesty. The service of sentence means that the offender has been imprisoned or deprived of liberties for a period prescribed by law. Although the offender has served his sentence, this does not extinguish civil liability. As I said earlier po na amnesty is the act of the sovereign power granting oblivion or a general pardon for a past offense to a group of people and rely on an individual. Although amnesty extinguishes criminal liability and all its effects, it does not extinguish civil liability.
By absolute pardon. It is an act of grace proceeding from the power entrusted with the execution of the laws, which exempts the individual on whom it is best owed from the punishment the law inflicts for the crime he has committed. It means that when someone is granted absolute pardon, sila ay lubos na pinatawad para sa krimen na kanilang ginawa at sila ay ligtas mula sa anumang parusa o mga kahihinatnan na pinataw ng batas para sa partikular na paglabag na iyon. Kapag sinabi nating may absolute pardon, ibig sabihin nito ay hindi lamang simpleng pagpapatawad sa isang tao o sa kanilang nagawang kasalanan. Ito ay nangangahulugan na sila ay binigyan na ganap na kapatawaran na magpapawalang bisa sa anumang parusa na itinakda ng batas para sa kanilang ginawang paglabag.
So, by prescription of the crime. So, it is the forfeiture or loss of the right of the state to prosecute the offender after the lapse of certain time or period. So, sa prescription of crime, it is the total extinguishment of criminal liability. For the prescription of the crime, you have to distinguish if the crime is felony under RPC or crime offense punished under special laws. Crimes are not immediately penalized due to the circumstances that deter the offender party from filing. So, Section 90. Prescription of the crime. Crimes punishable by death penalty, reclusion perpetua, or reclusion temporal, they prescribe 20 years. So, crimes punished by other afflictive penalties, it prescribed 15 years. Crimes punishable by a correctional penalty, it prescribed 10 years. Crimes punishable by correctional arresto mayor, which shall prescribe in 5 years. Crime of libel or other similar offenses, it prescribed 1 year. So, sa offenses of oral defamation and slander by deed, it prescribed 6 months. Light offenses, it prescribed in 2 months. So, when the penalty fixed by law is compound 1, the highest penalty shall be made the basis of the application of the rules.
Number 6. By prescription of penalty. It is the loss or forfeiture of the right of the government to execute the final sentence after lapse of the certain time. Pagkawala ng karapatan ng pamahalaan na ipatupad ang final sentence pagkatapos ng mahabang panahon. Nangyayari kapag ang convict ay tumakas mula sa detention o umiwas sa pag-serve ng kanyang sentence. Ang pag-iwas sa serve ng sentence ay isang kondisyon sa pagtakbo sa pamahalaan. Ang tuling sa panahon ng prescription ng parusa ay nangyayari kapag siya ay nakagawa ng isa pang krimen o nahuli o pumunta sa ibang bansa kung saan ang Pilipinas ay walang extradition treaty.
Another causes of total extinction of criminal liability under Article 89 of the Revised Penal Code, we have marriage of offended women as provided in Article 344 of this code. Ito yung mawawala yung criminal liability mo pag pinakasalan mo si offended women. Marriage of the offender with the offended women after the commission of any crime of rape, seduction, abduction, or act of lasciviousness as provided in Article 344 must be contracted by the offender in good faith. Ito yung magkakaroon ng agreement or settlement na si offender ay pakakasalan niya si offended women. With that, mawawipe out po yung criminal liability ni offender. For example, si Mr. A renape si Maria. Si Maria nagsampa ng kaso laban kay Mr. A, pero si Mr. A gusto niyang pakasalan si Maria at si Maria naman ay pumayag, and with that mawawala po yung criminal liability ni Mr. A.
partial extinction of criminal liability. It is a partial extinction because there remains liability, although it is lessened by conditional pardon, remutation of sentence, parole, probation, and for good conduct earned by the offender while serving his sentence. A person who was conditionally pardoned and these were placed under probation shall strictly comply with the conditions imposed, and the non-compliance shall result in its revocation. If the sentence is commutated, then such shall replace the original sentence. The director of prison shall grant an allowance for good conduct and for loyalty. If it is granted, it cannot be revoked. Bali yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa na total and partial extinction of criminal liability. Sa total extinction of criminal liability, ito yung lubos na wala ng responsibilidad o pananagutan yung isang tao sa nagawa niyang krimen. Dito naman sa partial extinction of criminal liability, there's remain liability. Ibig sabihin may pananagutan pa siya. Although it is lessened. Pwede itong mabawasan o ito yung pagbabawas sa parusa o ilang bahagi ng kanyang responsibilidad sa pamamagitan halimbawa ng conditional pardon. Ito yung pagbibigay laya sa isang tao pero may kaakibat itong kondisyon na dapat niyang sundan kapag siya ay pinalaya na. At kapag ito ay hindi niya nasunod, maaari itong bawiin sa kanya. Isa pang halimbawa, yung sa good conduct time allowance, ito ay isang pribilehiyo na nakukuha ng isang offender habang sineserve nila yung sentence nila sa pamamagitan ng mabubuting asal na pinapakita nila sa loob ng kulungan. At director of the correction lamang ang nagbibigay nun.